Children, how are you all? We will do this question. This is based on the interest on capital. Questions are X, Y and R partners sharing the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. यानी कि X, Y and R two partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. With capital of rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh respectively. Respectively means 2 lakh of X and 1 lakh of Y. Show the distribution of profits in each cases. If the partnership deed is silent, as to about interest on capital and the profit is rupees 60,000. I told you previous, then if partnership deed is silent about the interest on capital, then it will not be allowed. Interest on capital will not be allowed. Only we will distribute this profit in this profit sharing ratio. So P&L appropriation account. First we will transfer profit by P&L account 60,000 transfer of profit. This will distribute in the X and Y in the given ratio 3:2 because interest of capital is not allowed because it is not given in the partnership deed. So two partners capital account X and Y 60,000 in which is calculated 36,000 of X and 24,000 of Y. Then we will write 36 and 24 total आपका 60,000 and total 60,000. This will be done in the final. Clear? Then this is the second condition. If the partnership deed provide for interest on capital 10% and the profit for the year, if the partnership deed provide 10% and loss. Yeah, it means partnership deed will saying 10% of interest on capital will be given, but firm earned the loss. This is rupees 60,000. When the firm earn loss, that interest on capital will not be given. If it is charged against profit, then it will be given through the P&L account, not P&L appropriation. But in the absence of any information, it will be deemed that it is charged against appropriation. So firm earn loss, then it will not be given interest on capital, and we will distribute the loss to the partners through P&L appropriation account. Again we will transfer loss. Profit this side transfer, loss this side transfer to P&L account loss 60,000. This distributed in the partners capital by partners capital account X and Y 60,000, which we calculate in this ratio already 36 and 24. 60,000. Then total of this account 60,000. Clear this question? If firm earned loss, that it will not be given. If partnership is deed is silent about interest on capital, that it will not be given. Then the rest of 3 conditions which we'll discuss in the next video.